Hey guys, Ramsey with Spraywell back with a quick video today going over how to plumb a pump. Today we have a EZ4040G. Right now I'm going over the parts that we're going to be installing on this pump. We have the plug, the nipple, the thermal protector valve, the water inlet, as well as the unloader. Right now I'm going to install the thermal protector valve first. This is ideal in order to help with heat going to the pump. As soon as the heat reaches 140 degrees Fahrenheit within the pump, it'll cause this relief valve to engage. First thing you want to do is remove this valve cap, as you just saw me do, and now we're installing the thermal protector valve. As I was saying previously, this valve is to protect against heat inside the pump. As soon as it reaches that 140 as mentioned, it'll allow water to spurt out of that nozzle you see, allowing cooler water to enter the pump. We're doing this plumbing as an installation for a customer. He's looking to upgrade to this EZ4040G, so we are installing these parts within the pump for him. Now, first things first, on the outlet, install a 3/8 nipple fitting. As you can see, the pump to the unloader is female to female, so we need something to act as a connector between those two parts, which is where this 3/8 nipple fitting comes into play. We're using a pulsar unloader, as that is what this customer chose. Now I'm going to install the unloader. Just going to screw it on, and you can hand tighten this. You want to make sure it's sticking vertical. A little bit of extra elbow grease there to get that where I wanted it. Now that is done, I'm going to install the garden hose fitting. This is 3/4 or 1/2 inch to 3/4. It's 1/2 inch at the pump, and this garden hose fitting is a 3/4 fitting. In order to install this, you need a 1/2 inch hex bolt. It's kind of a weird piece of socket in order to install it. As you can see, I'm just going to start it off by hand tightening it in order to get it threaded correctly. And then I'm going to use a ratchet in order to tighten it down. Once again, when you're tightening everything on a pump with a brass manifold, you want to make sure you don't over torque it, as you can damage the brass because it is a soft metal. Now that the garden hose connection is put on, you want to make sure you put the little inlet screen that comes with them back in. Now that's done, we're going to install the nipple fitting. As you can see, 3/8 MPT, or not nipple fitting, it's a quick connect plug. We're going to install the quick connect plug. Just like I said before, make sure you're not overdoing the tightening, but make sure it's just tight enough. As you can see, all of the fittings I used today were obviously pre-prepped with thread tape. You can install the bypass as well, but this customer wanted to do it on his own. So today we have just done the base plumbing of this pump. If you have any more questions, you can reach us below. And once again, thank you for watching.